Gentlemen, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how much attention men give to a woman's breasts with their eyes, but when it comes to touch, it often ends up rushed, clumsy, or barely a minute before moving on? That, my friends, is a huge missed opportunity. Because here's the truth. A woman's breasts aren't just for visual appeal. They are deeply sensitive, emotionally meaningful, and for many women, when touched with skill, patience, and genuine care, they can be a direct pathway to intense arousal. And yes, sometimes even what we call a breast orgasm. So today, I'm going to walk you through 9 evidence-based, respectful, and deeply effective ways to touch her breasts. You will not only drive her wild, but also build the kind of intimacy and trust that makes your connection stronger outside the bedroom too. But before we dive into the tips, if you're new here, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a urologist and men's health expert with 5 years of clinical experience helping men improve their vitality, confidence, and intimacy. If you care about your health and your relationships, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a quick like, and drop a comment below telling me where are you watching from today. I always love seeing the community we're building together around the world. All right, let's get into it. Here's the myth I want to bust right away. Most men believe breasts are just for visual attraction and that women don't really feel much there. That couldn't be further from the truth. Biologically, the breast, especially the nipple and areola complex, is loaded with highly sensitive nerve endings. For some women, that focused stimulation alone can send waves of intense arousal throughout the entire body. Emotionally, for others, the pleasure is tied to the emotional connection of feeling truly held, seen, and cared for. When you learn to approach this with patience, respect, and just a little technique, it's no longer about just touching her chest. It becomes an entire experience that can unlock deeper intimacy than you might think possible. I'm not giving you random magazine advice. I've worked with men and couples and have seen the difference between men who rush or fumble and men who slow down, learn her unique signals, and use their hands, mouth, and presence to truly connect. And believe me, women can feel the difference instantly. So let's dive into the 9 steps that transform breast touch from an awkward afterthought into a confident, connected source of pleasure. Tip number 9, start with consent and curiosity. Nothing is more arousing than safety and trust. Instead of guessing, simply ask, how do you like your breasts touched? Softer, firmer, with my hands, my mouth? Are there any no-go zones? Emotionally, that one relaxed. Open question instantly lowers her anxiety, builds trust, and gives you a clear roadmap. Practically, you can even agree on a simple traffic light code while you explore. Green means more, keep going. Yellow means slow down, soften. Red means stop, change it up. It takes pressure off both of you and creates a playful sense of teamwork. Tip number 8, slow way down, start wide. Here's where most men blow it. They go straight for the nipples. Too fast, too soon, biologically. Instead, begin outside in. Use warm hands and broad strokes along her upper chest, the sides of her ribs, and that tender curve where the breast tissue meets the torso. Add kisses at the collarbone, neck, and jawline. Why? Because the nervous system doesn't jump from neutral to ecstasy in 30 seconds. You're giving her body time to shift from guard to receive. That's when the touch becomes electric instead of ticklish. Pro tip: a drop of unscented body-safe lubricant or massage oil makes your skin glide effortlessly and can heighten the sensitivity. Tip number 7, hold with intention, not a pinch. Most guys tend to poke or squeeze. Wrong move. Emotionally. Instead, think cradle, not pinch. Use your whole hand to gently support the weight of her breast. Alternate gentle, full compressions with stillness. Biologically, that kind of confident, caring hold signals safety and deep desire. Her body relaxes, the hormone oxytocin rises, and her arousal builds. Watch her cues. Her breath changes, soft sounds, or her leaning into you. That's your green light. Tip number 6, don't forget the areola. The areola, the darker circle around the nipple, is just as sensitive and sometimes more sensitive than the nipple itself. Practically, try tracing slow circles or gentle spirals that tease toward the nipple but then back away. Support the tissue underneath so it never feels like it's being pulled. That mix of tease and support can send sparks through her whole chest. Tip number 5, dimmer switch, not a light switch. The nipple is powerful, but you must treat it like a dimmer knob. not an on-off light switch. Practically, start with feather light strokes. If she likes more, roll gently between your thumb and finger or try a press and release. Avoid sharp tugs or abrupt moves. Those can feel painful, not sexy. Build gradually, always checking in with her body language. Tip number 4, use your mouth thoughtfully. If she's into oral stimulation, begin with warm breath, then trace slow, light licks around the areola before touching the nipple. Emotionally, gentle suction often feels amazing. Clamp-like suction or using teeth almost never does, unless she specifically asks for it. Want to try playful grazing? Practice on your own forearm first to know exactly how light to keep it. This is about pleasure, not pain. Tip number 3, let words and breath amplify touch. Touch alone is powerful, but words and breath deepen it. Emotionally, use quiet, genuine compliments in a low, calm voice. Ask short questions like, more like this or softer here, and most importantly, match her breathing. Biologically, when you exhale slowly, it relaxes you both. It signals safety to her nervous system, allowing arousal to expand. Tip number 2, pair breast play with what gets her over the edge. Here's the truth backed by research. Surveys show most women climax most reliably with consistent clitoral stimulation. But when breast play is paired with that, it can amplify pleasure dramatically. Practically, keep a hand or mouth on her breast while your other hand, or even a small, gentle vibrator, focuses on external stimulation. The key, change only one variable at a time so her brain can lock onto the combined sensation. This creates a powerful, full body experience. Tip number 1, let go of the outcome. I know this is a long list, but please remember, you don't have to be perfect. This isn't about memorizing steps. It's about being present, paying attention, and letting her body teach you. Emotionally, some days she may love intense stimulation, other days she may just want to be held. That's normal. Respect that, and she'll trust you even more next time. Talk first. Go wide, then close in. Use intention, not impatience. Read her cues. So, gentlemen, this is how you stop breast touch from being a quick afterthought and turn it into a deeply intimate, arousing experience that makes her feel safe, desired, and fully alive in your hands. Remember, age does not limit intimacy. If anything, maturity gives you the patience, the confidence, and the control to do this far better than younger men ever could. And afterward, don't just roll away. Hold her, breathe with her, let everything settle. Many women say that decompression is the most satisfying part. So start slow, be intentional, be curious, and you'll not only give her more pleasure, you'll also deepen your bond as a couple. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who might need a little encouragement. And tell me in the comments, which of these 9 tips are you going to try first? I'm Dr. Jocelyn reminding you, your best years of intimacy, confidence, and connection are still ahead. Stay strong, stay kind, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your health, your body, and your relationships, because you deserve nothing less.